Hello guys. Hello guys, ang lungkot. Hindi, ang lungkot, ang init. Yung ibig ko sabihin. Alam nyo kung ano to? It's a copras. Dina-dry nila. It's coconut. Ano nga yun? Yung ano ng coconut. Basta coconut nga. It's a coconut giant's nut yun. It's a cocoa fruit. It's a cocoa fruit. Simala yun guys, ang kanta. The giant's nuts. Yeah. Kung gusto nyo pumunta ng Kalibo, doon papunta sa kanan, okay? From our house, if you are going to Kalibo and take airplanes, in right side, yeah, right. Kapag nasa video ko na nasa left na yan, para hindi kayo nalilito, nasa right side from our house, yeah, it's take 1 hour. And who want to visit me from Denmark, you can visit me. I live in Santa Cruz, Pandan Antique. O, di ba? How nice. If you visit me, there's a papaya, you know, there. Do you know what is papaya? This is papaya, you know. That's for free, yeah. It's because, you know, I didn't plant that. you can stole it. Yeah, that's why I said it's free. There's a papaya. See, did you see that? Yeah, that's for free. And there's vegetables here. This is you know, a natural vegetables. This is the local vegetables in in Santa Cruz. Yeah, local kind of vegetables. It's for free, you know. If you visit me, hi Victor, thank you for the last time that you sent me to airport. I'm happy that you helped me to go there because I cannot walk. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, and you can visit me here in Santa Cruz, Pandan Antique. Ito nga pala ang aming going to the river. I don't know. The right side is it's my house. Yeah. Saan ka ba pupunta? Toto Abi, ano yun? Ablog. Ablog. Basahin nyo guys. Magpakatotoo tayo, Toto Ablog. Serbisyong totoo para sa ewan ko, hindi ko nabasa lahat guys, kaya pasensya na kayo. Ayun guys, kung gusto nyo guys, dami naman sasakyan today. Pero most of the time guys, ay marami naman talagang sasakyan. At yun, dito ako sa waiting shade. I will wait my boyfriend's coming. So, not all. Honest is, wala akong boyfriend. I'm jobless, yeah. No boyfriend, no honey, no money, yeah. Ito nga pala ang small canal that's clean. That came from river. Nakikita nyo ba? Ayan. Yan yung small canal na, you know, they support water to a rice field. Yeah, if you plant a rice field. Ayun guys, sa totoo lang, this is a small tiny waiting shade like bus stop is still Pudans. Yeah, I'm here, you know, it's look antique, right? Like me, yeah, I'm look antique. My house is antique, yeah, but people is welcome if they want to visit me. Yeah, just call Santa Cruz, Volcano Tenerife. Yeah. I'm good to give you instruction, right? To all my subscribers and my tutor, you can visit me in Santa Cruz, Pandan Antique, yeah, where I belong. Yeah, it's nice that I belong here. Yeah, and I'm very thankful that I'm still welcome. I'm still welcome to my own hometown. It's nice, right? You know, I welcome you to visit me, and you know, water here that's clean. Yeah, you need to do like this. This is free if you visit me. Water is free. Yeah, there's no payment for that. Yeah, and you need to do is you just open like this. This is very, very original kind of water district, water pump. You need to remove this. Oh my God, there's no water, guys. You're dying here. If just in case that you visit me, there's no water. Today is no water. Yeah. Maybe tomorrow. Yeah, you need to wait if you feel thirsty. If you feel thirsty, you need to wait next day. Oh my God, I'm shy to show without water. Oh my God. First time in the history, guys, I open, you know, there's no water in it. Oh my goodness, bullshit. Bullshit. Yeah, guys, you know what? I live in a silent place, yeah. Honestly, I'm tired to work abroad. Oh my God, it's a very stressful life. I'm so happy that I'm home. Tignan mo naman, oh, yeah. You can, you know, that's rice field there, yeah. In front of papaya, you know, if you come here, Victor, you can buy the papaya tree. you can swallow papaya tree, Victor. You know, I can make, you know, chicken with papaya, yeah. Beside Victor, you always asking a food, right? Yeah, and we want to invite you guys visit me in Santa Cruz, Pandan, Antique. One time I will buy a load and then send SMS to Victor. Yeah. So maybe one day if you win in Lotto, you can visit me. But you know what? It's cheaper. You know, it's only 8,000. And then you don't like to see my face like this. If I'm cute before, I'm more cute now. Yeah, more cute. Yes, because you know, I'm YouTuber. You need to be cute, even that you're acute. You know what is acute? It's like, you know, if you have a sickness, it's very acute na. It's I mean, you're dying. You're dying soon. Yeah, like that. Acute is like that. The meaning of acute. Victor, I remember, there's a lot of papaya. See, look, Victor, look. Yeah, small papaya, but there's a lot of papaya hanging fruits. Yes. That's for free. Besides, it's not mine. It's not mine, Victor. The person working there, he is the owner. But don't worry, he is nice. So I will teach you to stolen evening time. Evening time, he is not here, so it's okay. You can get what you want. And if you feel more hungry because maybe you're scared to come here because you're dying for food, there's a cupras, you know, the dry coconut that they make oil. Honestly, they make cooking oil. Yeah, this kind of, you know, coconut fruits. Yeah, coconut. That's coconut, dry coconuts. Yeah. They can make oil, cooking oil. Ayun, Victor, ayun. Yeah. So, you don't need to be scared if you bring 10 friends. It's okay. You can You're welcome to bring friends, Victor. You're welcome here, okay? By the way, bye. Have a nice day sa inyong lahat. To all of you. Bye-bye. God bless.